plan this week is to travel through Austria and Italy with the drop and roll team.
We're getting treated to a full spread here, all from the farm.
Taking in some amazing location and doing some fun riding. For me, I've not done a whole lot of travelling in these countries. I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Today we're at Hohenwerfen. Pretty cool place, to be honest. A lot of history going on here.
So far we're just checking out a very old medieval castle which is steeped in an awful lot of history.
Yeah, coming to the castle today has been a really cool part of the trip, and I'm looking forward to the rest of it. We've got Ricky hooked up to go down in the paraglider. He's had a fair bit of lunch, so I'm not too sure how the takeoff's going to go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Lucas! We are just getting on the mountain bikes at Feld am See.
I'm just going to go and milk a cow. I'm going to get these boys some fresh milk for tonight.
We're here in Lissari. It's a really cool little village on the top of the mountains.
Thank you!
Pretty delicious.
Like coming up the trail this morning, we did have to keep stopping just to take in some of the views, especially the glaciers as well. Just absolutely beautiful scenery.
For a ride and came across Zumele Castle here, which has been about for 1,200 years.
Can you imagine going into battle like this? So yeah, we're just in a lovely place called Veneto. We've just been mountain biking all morning and now we're stopping off for some fine cheese and wine. Salute. Salute.
Yeah, we're at a cool little settlement, little Rota village.
These houses have been here since about the 1800s and are now been passed down through generations of family. Originally the woodland was used for woodcraft. Yeah, anything really that could make money on using the wood, and then they would take it from here and go and sell it in the south.